OK, in Ribbon, Modify, first command is Move, and here is Copy. Run the Move command and select Object. Select this rectangle, also you can add other objects to your selection, press Enter to accept, OK. Now select a base point optionally in graphic window, for example here, and now move the mouse, OK. Specify direction of movement and distance of movement simultaneous, move the mouse more and more. And check the preview of movement, for example we want to translate this rectangle in X direction, OK. Turn on the ortho and now, the rectangle exactly moved on X-axis, go to the right side in X positive, OK. Now write your distance of movement here, for example 10 mm, and now complete the movement, good. Next command is Copy, exactly similar to the Move, run it and select the rectangle. Now specify base point. Move the mouse and see the preview of movement, turn off the ortho, for example make a copy here. Distance is 10 mm, with 30 degrees angle, complete the job and finish the copy process, OK, it's so good. And next command is Stretch, run it and then, only select this 2 lines from this object, and then move the mouse and check the stretch preview, similar to the Move and Copy command, try to move it. Again turn on the ortho, and write 10 mm, and finish the command, OK. Next command is Rotate, run it and then select Object, select this rectangle and press Enter, OK, it's so good. Now specify the base point, if necessary turn off the ortho and, move the mouse more and more and see the preview of rotation, click, or write the rotation angle value and complete the job. OK, so good. And the next command is Mirror, run it and select Object, OK, select this object and then press Enter, OK. Now you must specify the mirror line by define its start point and end point, you can use this line, or use other objects. Select this line as mirror line and then note to this question, erase the source object. Yes or no, OK, it's so good, and next command is Scale, run it and then select this rectangle, OK. Now press Enter to accept and then, select base point, the base point is fixed during the scaling process. You can select this corner point of rectangle, or select geometry center, or other points, test it yourself more, select it and then, move the mouse and check the scale preview, also you can write the scale factor here. 1 is the same object size, you can use the values more and less than 1. Test it yourself later, OK. Now test the 2 for scale factor and see the result, OK. Next command is Trim, and next is Extend, OK. Here, we have several lines like it, run the Trim command and now select the cutting element, for example this vertical line, press Enter to apply, and now move the mouse, and see the trimming preview on different places, click on desired area and complete the job, OK. it's good. Test it more and more and finish it, undo and back again. Now run the trim command, in command line. Write the TR to run the trim command, and no need to select any object. Right-click on graphic window and now move the mouse on your desired positions. As you see, the trim is operated automatically and smart. OK, test it more and more and check it out completely on graphic window. OK, next command is extend. Run it and then select the target object, press enter to apply. Now move the mouse on your desired position, and check the extension in preview. Check it out completely and cancel the command. Again run it and now right-click on graphic window and complete the extend automatically in smart situation. OK, it's so good. Also you can write X in command line to run the extend command. OK, now see this several lines here. With trim and extend commands you can correct them so fast and carefully. Use the smart situation. Let's start. Next command is fillet. Run it and then click on radius option in command line. Radius by default is 0. Change it, for example 2 mm. Press enter and apply. Now select the first object, for example this line, and second object, here, and see the fillet. OK. Again test it on this other corner and check the result. OK. Try to do it and finish the job. Check it out completely in graphic window. OK, it's so good. Also you can use the fillet command to connect these two lines. Run it and change the radius to 0. OK. And then select these two lines, and see the operation of this command in graphic window. OK, it's so good. Next command is chamfer. Run it and then click on distance and change it to 2 mm. Press enter and apply. Also you can use the angle option. Now select first object, and second object, and complete the job. OK. And next command is blend curve. Run it and then click on continuity, and choose tangent or smooth. Test both of them later yourself. Keep the default, tangent, and apply, and then select first object. OK. And then select second object, and check the result in graphic window. OK.